couple small trees I've started. Normally I do those big ones, so here's a kind of a contrast. I really like the fine detailed features and the delicacy of the new growth of these brand new trees. This is an orange tree that I collected, or actually I didn't collect, but I got at a garage sale. The woman there said it was the tastiest orange she had ever eaten, and so she planted a seed, and then she sold it to me for $1. So I just repotted this one. I like to put bigger rocks in when I'm going with these delicate, when I'm trying to highlight that delicacy. Normally you wouldn't want to put a big rock compared to the tree or the trunk because it would take away from the age, but here I'm not focusing on the age. And so I've got a lot of color in the rocks. That also helps. I find the red, so this is iron, a bunch of iron in this one. The redder rocks will, they work on that part of the eye that perceives red and green. And so when you have something red in there, it actually makes the green look greener to the eye. So that's a little trick you can do. And this one I've got a blue rock in here, and I just love it looks like, you know, watermarks or something. This is a willow tree I found at the river. This branch must have broken off. There wasn't a willow tree in sight, so it must have broken off way upstream and floated down and then just attached to the sand and started growing. And it's actually grown quite a bit since I've got it. It was probably right about there when I first got it, and so I had it about a month. And so it's growing really strong.